Let's have a look at and see how those of you with the free Adobe Reader will use this signing option. This next portion of the video covers how to request signatures using the free Adobe Reader. As you can see, I have not logged in. I am on the Home tab and I am going to choose this Request for e-signatures. When I click on this, you're going to see it is going to open up the request for e-signature panel. Things to take note of. You will see here at the top, send 2 documents for signatures every 30 days on a rolling basis. You will see once you've put in the email address, you can add somebody on copy. You can change the name of the document if you need to. So signatures in Reader. Right, and you can go to more options. You'll see when I choose more options, it is going to request that I sign in. You will see that once I've logged in with my free Adobe ID, it will then take me on to the next section where I can then go and add the number of people that are required. As you can see, the free Adobe Reader limits you to only 6 participants that can take part in the signing process. Again, you'll be able to add multiple files, and they are not limited to just PDF documents. You can go in there and use other documents like Word documents or Excel documents, depending on whatever you need to attach to the particular document at a time. You would then go ahead and click on Next. And the next screen that it is going to take you to is the fields where you're actually going to go and put on the signature fields. In this authoring section, you are going to click anywhere on your document and a little pop-up HUD will appear that will give you the various field types that are available. So you could set it as a text field. You've got some other options here as well. So for example, if I had to just make this one a little bit bigger, you could stretch them out. And this one I'm going to make a name field. That means that the person who's signing's name will automatically be generated in there from when they create their signature. The next one I'm going to look at, you can see it's automatically picking up that it's a signature below. So it picks up a signature field. Because this says name below, it will automatically bring up a name field. And this particular one here, because it says date, I just need to click and it has a particular date field. Remember, if I had more than one signer, I would have 2 separate options available in this panel here, one for each email address that I had added, and I would then be able to set a different set of signature and form field options for my second signer. I've only got one here, so that's why it's only giving me one option. And then I would go ahead and click on the send button. Once my agreement has been sent, the person it was emailed to will then receive an email and a hyperlink requesting that they sign the document, and then after that I will have the ability to come in here to the All Agreements section and choose the particular document that needed to be signed, and I would be able to see who has completed it, and I'd be able to see what activity has taken place on that particular document. And then I also have the ability here to go and download an audit report, the same as in professional and the same as in the standard version, and this would give me a step-by-step process of what that document took to be able to be signed. This blue ribbon indicates that it is a certified signed document and that the signer's signature is valid. To just double check on these, you could see no changes are allowed. It is a valid certified document, and of course the signer's identity is valid. I got to this by clicking on the little pen tool in the navigation pane on the left hand side of my screen. If you do not see this ribbon, then you know that your document has been tampered with and that the signatures have not been certified and are not valid. Thank you for joining us for today's Adobe Acrobat Pro signing option. If you found today's topic useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow Magenta SA on Facebook to be notified of any events. Should you be interested in any of the previous videos in this series or on any other topics that Magenta SA have covered, please click on the link provided in the description below. Thank you.